Hey guys, welcome back to Scribely. In this video, I am going to discuss about Boolean data type in Python. So, what is Boolean? We can say Boolean is another primitive data type in Python that has only two values, that is true and false. So, here true means truthy and false means we can say falsy value. So, Python has a built-in method that is called bool and that we can use to convert any data type into Python. So we can say bool can be used to convert into boolean. Okay, so I'm going to do. So I'm just going to create a variable. I will say true val, and I will just say true, and then I will say false val, and will say false. If you notice one thing, when I wrote true, right, I used the capital T, and when I wrote false, I used the capital F. So in Python, if you define true or false, you need to use the first character as a capital letter. In other languages like let's say Java or JavaScript, or you are working in let's say PHP and all, you use true something like this in small caps and false something like this. But in Python, you have to use this first character as a capital letter. So let me print this. I can say true value and then I can say type of true value, and I can say print false value and then I can say type of false val. Let me go inside the boolean folder and then we can say python 3 main.py. So you can say true and false here, and the type of these true and false is bool, so that means these are booleans. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, I have added some code here. So I've created a variable with positive integer value, another variable with negative integer value, another variable with 0, and another variable that has a fraction but it's very close to 0 in but it is negative, and another variable that also is a fractional value but it's very close to 0 but it it is a positive value. Okay, next I've created another variable with empty string and another variable that has a non-empty string. So what I want to do, I want to convert all these variable into a boolean value and just want to see what will be their boolean representation. Like if I convert a positive value, is it going to be true or false? For negative value, is it going to be true and false, and so on for other variables as well. Okay, so here I have added a separator print and then I have added some text here and formatted the text just to see in the output where this particular boolean value is coming from. Okay, so let me just run this code, python 3 main.py. So you can see here for positive 100 the boolean value is to true. For negative 100 also the boolean value is true. So in case of positive and negative, this is going to be true. But if it is 0, then it's going to be false. Okay. And if we have a negative value in fraction also, that is again going to be true. And if we have a positive value in fraction, that is again going to be true. Doesn't matter the value. It should not be a 0. That is the only condition. Next, empty string is going to be false and a non-empty string is going to be converted to true boolean value. One last thing I want to discuss, and that is called a none in Python. So if you are not aware what is none, so basically none is used to define a null value, or you can say no value at all. If a variable is not assigned any value, then it's going to hold a none. Okay, so I will create a none variable and this will hold a none value here. So you can define a none value using capital N-O-N-E, none. Okay, I just want to print the none value. Okay, and first I will also print its type. Okay, so let me put a separator here and let me run the code. You will see the value is none and its type is none type. Okay, so this is a very special data type in Python. In other language it is known as null. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to convert this value into Boolean and we'll see what is the value, Boolean value of this data type. So for that I will just put bool here and I will just pass the variable name. So if I run it again, you will see the none, the Boolean representation of none is false. Okay. So if I talk about what are the false values in all data type that we have discussed till now. So empty string, the Boolean representation of empty string is going to be false. Second, we can say 0. Boolean representation of 0 is going to be false. And third is none. So Boolean representation of none is going to be false. And fourth is in case of Boolean, so false is again type of false. So except these, if we have any primitive data type and we try to convert that into a Boolean, that is going to be true. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do, and do like the videos and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.